Hi there, do you like M&Ms? I know I do. I mean, what's not to like when a peanut is coated with delicious chocolate? Now, I'm going to share a story told by David Lee Roth, the singer of Van Halen, and why you'll never look at brown M&Ms the same ever again. Now, if you like the video, please share and hit the subscribe button. Now, back in the 1980s, Van Halen was one of the biggest rock bands and they had a huge production. They were also one of the first bands that took their production to the smaller markets. Every time they had a concert, they brought 9 18-wheelers trucks filled with equipment. Now, and the standard at the time was 3 trucks maximum. The stage they built were big and complex, and they had lots of moving parts, and injuries could occur if it wasn't built properly. If you don't believe me, go Google concert stage collapse injuries, and you'll see a long list. Now, back to the story. Van Halen had a long list of demands, and the contract writer read like the Yellow Pages. And in the middle of Article 126 was there will be no brown M&Ms in the backstage area. And if brown M&Ms were found, the concert will be cancelled and the promoter will pay the band in full. Now, before you go and think it's another celebrity making ridiculous demands, let me tell you why that clause was put into place. David explained, if you walk backstage and saw a brown M&M in the bowl, they will have to line check the entire production because you're guaranteed to find technical errors. It showed the promoters did not read the contract and failed to pay attention to detail. Now, I think it's a brilliant strategy in business. So next time, if you're hiring a new employee or looking for a new supplier, they might say, one of our qualities is attention to detail. Why don't you put them to the test by sneaking in a strange instruction and see if they follow through? Now, the same applies when you are dealing with requests from customers. So don't let the brown M&Ms cost your next big sell. Now, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Till next time.